So again, when you cruise through this matrix, what do you see? Lots of cement, lots of telephone wires, lots of metal, lots of houses that really have no sacred geometry in their architectural blueprint. When you go through the matrix, you see quickie little marts, you see fast food joints, laundromats, dirty bookstores, etc. It's just the norm. Lube job shops, oil change places. This is not what Earth was designed to look like. I hate to tell you. We were designed to walk through this garden and learn the shamanic lessons that the plant spirits had to teach us in this garden. And we were meant to learn from the animal spirits, the mineral kingdom, the telluric kingdom. We were designed to learn from the astral kingdom. We were designed to spend a good majority of our lives traveling the astral planes. But we don't do that here in the Matrix because we're too busy being plugged in. If you look at the meridian system of the human body that is directly connected to the astral bodies in the astral plane, this is where you get plugged into the Matrix. You get plugged into the Matrix along your meridian pathway points. And that's why in the movie The Matrix, you see Neo, you see all of these plugs plugged into him in very sacred parts of the anatomy. So to unplug from the Matrix, we have to unplug our astral connections to the Matrix and then re-enliven the system and re-oxygenate the system through the activation of the atrophied meridians, the meridian pathways. See, most of us have no movement in the meridians. We have no movement in the astral bodies, in the astral kingdom. So we experience reality from a very physical standpoint, a very dense standpoint of dualism, right and wrong, left and right, black and white, up and down, etc. So when the chakra, essentially unplugging from the Matrix, happens when the Kundalini energy uncoils itself from its 3.5 rotations around the coccyx where it lies sleeping. Once that energy wakes up, it will begin climbing up the system, liberating all the tissues, activating all the meridians, opening up the blood vessels, nourishing the blood, crystallizing the consciousness, etc. And when this happens, we unplug from the Matrix. We rip out the aberrations in the meridian system, and we allow energy, Kundalini energy, to flow through the blocked meridians. That's what that whole movie is about. I don't know how all that information went over the average American's head, but let me tell you, the movie The Matrix is a treasure chest of occult information that is very relative and pertainable and relatable to the world that we currently live in. So, oh man, Sunday, the 27th. Christmas was 2 days ago. Had a great Christmas. Personally, I really do vibe with Christmas. I like Christmas. I like the fact that if you do study the occult origins of Christmas, it's all about Kundalini and the Christ seed, which is directly connected to the Kundalini, the Christ energy. So it's a big day of celebration for me. Have the new year coming up. I got a ton of plans for the new year. I got a lot of resolutions. I'm really going to be tweaking my diet. I'm really cleansing very, very hard for the next 365 days. So now's a good time to really make some New Year's resolutions, and the new year can be a very great thing to utilize to kind of reset your health levels. So if you've kind of fucked up the last year, if you feel like you could have done better in this last year, why not use this next upcoming year to make that happen? So I love the new year because I love making goals for myself, and it's nice to start goals on day one, to start over. So again, I'm gonna cut this video short, just a brief little rant, new camera rant, cruising through the Matrix. I hope that this message can inspire you to start caring about your health. I hope that my messages and my channel can help inspire you to start taking your power back and start putting minerals back into your body. I hope that my message and my channel can help inspire you to begin studying things like Kundalini and esotericism and all this other very neat stuff out here that we can begin tapping into. I hope that my messages and my channel can help inspire you to start taking your power back and begin utilizing ways to tap into the dream plane and begin walking the astral planes, the dream dimensions, etc. On behalf of this channel, peace be with you.